NOVA Stock Thursday, is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. Having done 37,000 videos, you know, I know what's making me money and what's not. All of this is documented on my YouTube channel, and you know, I've spent 5 figures on mentors and courses. How does 6th of March and onward look like? To be very clear, it's quite juicy for me, and generally speaking, we had like a crazy gap here. When I say juicy, it's bearish. Like, I'm not even trying to exaggerate here, but the likelihood that the price just keeps melting is top content right now. It's like the biggest lever mover here, and I'm not even trying to exaggerate stuff. I mean, I know this thing is melting, and I would rather just double down from a day/swing trade perspective on that. I'm not talking anything long term, but I'm talking for right now. And for right now, because like now we're here, yeah, you can see it shifted since last time I made a video. This is the most likely thing that's about to happen. So that's my directional bias. If you want my exact approach and blueprinting group, click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.